Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell.
Well, I was thinking about washing the bike before I went down to Florida. I guess that's taken care of. All right, still getting ready for the camp out. Let me show you what I've got going on here. Check it out. All right, so I did remember this time, this is my medium-sized tent. This is my 2-man, unable to change them, but I got the tent all laid out there. Got my canvases to put down on the ground, my tarps. Rain gear's got it airing out. Okay, I'll lay that. I actually had to wear that today on the way back from work because it freaking rained. Inside my bags, I went ahead and splurged and got these inserts so I can take these into the house, pack them full of junk, and they're supposed to, just like the BMW bags, I'm supposed to be able to fill them up, put them in here, and whatever I can get into them is supposed to fit into the bag. So just like the BMWs, I got to be careful because it is possible to overpack the bag and not be able to get it in. So you basically put your stuff in there lightly, put it in the side bag, in the hard bag, and then you can pack more shit into it. It's got little pockets all over it and in the sides, that way you can kind of divide your stuff out. The benefit is you do have some pockets in it. So you get all the same stuff in it, but then you've got some pockets for things you need to access quickly, like my mesh bag that goes over my intake, the cords, the plugs for the phone, for the cigar lighters, things like that I want to get to quickly. I can kind of separate from everything else, so that's a plus. So in here, I've got my tail bag. That's a roll-up bag. It's actually huge. Again, it's got pockets inside it to put stuff that I want to separate out. It's got tie-down straps, so once I get it rolled up, this loops onto somewhere on the bike and then clips into these and holds down on the bike. So that's, I don't have to waste another set of bungee cords. I've got my sleeping bag laid out, airing out, because again, I got to air this stuff out because I hadn't used it since my last camp out. I think I washed it and then it's been laid up since then. And this time I have a solar panel folded out, which also will go inside of that thing, or maybe I'll put it in the hard bag to keep it safe. Also splurged a little bit. Check these out. All right, so I got this that goes into the Street Glide cigarette lighter auxiliary connection. Excuse me. And then this time I've got some accordion style plugs that will obviously reach out where I need it to. But then if they accidentally fall out and they're hanging, then they're not going all the way down to the ground where I can get caught up in my pedals or under the tires or whatever. So got that going on. Lots of other stuff I still got to get set aside, and I'll probably do that tomorrow night. So we're getting there. I've got my rock straps ready to go. Just packing up. All right. Oh, also have, don't let me forget. So these, Bleak got some of these and I got some of these. It's 3 different sizes of screw plugs. I'm going to try these just in case. You never know what's going to happen. These are easier to store because I already got a screwdriver on the bike than trying to keep a reaming kit and all this other stuff. So I'm going to try these for this next, not for the next tire, if I have another blowout on the tire. So I'll put those in a Ziploc bag, and those will also go in there in the quick and ready pocket.
One eternity later.
For real, I've been saying this for 2 nights. I'm going to pack tonight. Probably. Let me see. I'm going to get my stuff together tonight. Maybe make a video about what I'm bringing and why I'm bringing what I'm bringing and what I'm not bringing. Yeah. And just keep in mind, this is all subject to change. I can change my mind at any time and bring what I don't want to bring. Yeah. Anyway, all right, we gotta get home. I went ahead and filled up when I left work. That way I'd have gas for tomorrow after work, and I don't gotta stop again. Because I am pretty sure it's gonna rain from tomorrow morning until I get back Monday. It's supposed to be like 80 degrees now, but it sure don't feel like it because the humidity is really, really high. And when you're not moving, it feels really hot. And when you are moving, well, it's kind of cool. Either way, I'm ready to go. Do plan on bringing a pair of solid boots, and then I plan on bringing some perforated boots, both courtesy of Steve at Indy Ridge. Here's the shameless spot for Indy Ridge. You're welcome. So we're going to go through now what I'm going to be bringing on the trip. So lighting in here is really weird. It's those weird brown, funky bedroom lights to make everything look cooler. But I'm going to go through what I'm going to bring, and subject to change again by tomorrow. So let's check it out. All right. So most important thing is my fanny pack. Can't go nowhere without my fanny pack. And I got my gel shorts for the riding because, yes, they absolutely do work. Spare pair of pants. Couple pairs of shorts for like walking around. Sleepy clothes. Warm sleepy clothes. Another pair of shorts. 5 pairs of underwear. I might kick that up to 6. 7 pairs of socks. Some thermals just in case it gets cold on the way back. Rain gear, which I will probably wear on the way down because it's going to rain the whole damn way. Flippy floppies. So I got thicker Indy Ridge neck gaiters for my neck to keep the wind off when it gets cool. And I got thinner ones actually as helmet liners. First aid kit. Extra laces because always extra laces. Deodorant, toothbrush, shaving cream, body deodorizer because you need it. Got a razor in there. Manscaped crop mops for you know what. Dude wipes also for you know what and everything else. And then I've got, of course, my shirts. So I got some crazy shirts. Got my little chimpanzee drinking whiskey there. That's because. And random other t-shirts. I got 2 button-ups, 1 long sleeve riding shirt just in case it gets warm, but I still want to cover my sleeves. And then I got 4 t-shirts. And let's move over to the other side. All right, I got another waterproof bag that right now the only thing that is in it is you can't see that, my sleeping bag's in there. And I'm actually going to put more, another hoodie inside that one because it's going to get cold. So left side riding bag, right side riding bag. I got things in the very top. So in this one, I've got a wiping rag. In this one, I have my plug-up gear for the bike to plug the bike or plug the phone up on the bike. Extra batteries for the GoPro. I have a solar panel for charging everything out of the campground. I've got another solar battery charger / battery pack that can hang out anywhere. All my cables, motion camera, a wet bag, wet / cover with bungees inside it. We've seen that before. And then I've got some lamps, obviously for the campground. And then I got an extra pair of gloves. Down here, I haven't decided yet which boots, extra boots I'm bringing, but I've got my Indy Ridge Armstrong boots that are perforated. I'll probably wear these down there. And I don't know whether I'm going to be wearing those or these as spares. We'll figure that out as we go. Heck, I might even bring those. Comanches are always good. Just got to clean them up a little bit. And, wow, light's really bad here. And then the pants I will be wearing down are the Cycle Gear Street and Steel Ironworker pants. So one more hoodie just as a backup, and obviously I still like BMWs, so that'll be the hoodie that I bring with me. And then my brand new jacket here. So hopefully that won't be too hot. It's actually very, very warm for the ride. This is obviously why I'm bringing a hoodie and another button-up shirt. So then probably, well, that's really bright. Yeah, I will probably bring in more stuff if I decide to go. Trying to bring as little as I can, but you never know. I mean, I'd rather bring too much stuff that I know I can't replace. Things I can replace, like toiletries, things I can run to Walmart for, that'll wait. But yeah, I just want to make sure I got all the things I need for my trip. Obviously, I'll have a few things out because nobody needs to know I'm carrying those things. So, well, now all I got to do is get it on the bike. So let's get all this shit packed up and see how much room it takes up. So I did forget something. I forgot these were on the boot jar because it rained yesterday. So, yep, these are my perforated cross fields. So that, now I have decided, will be my backup here that I will be bringing down with me to the camp out. Alright, just found that the only scrunchy soap bucket thing I got is a pink one. So I guess I'm bringing a pink one. At least I'll know it's mine. Also, can't forget this. This is a fold-up dry towel. This is a camp towel. It's like really, really thin, and then you can hang it out and it dries really quickly. So, yeah, that's got to go too. Did I mention crop mop? Crop mop. Oh, and then extra earbuds, of course. I'm bringing my Bluetooth, but you never know, so bringing those. Yeah, all right. I went ahead and restrung the boots because, I mean, why not? Might as well, right? Yo, Joe. All right, so I'm bringing 2 spare pairs of gloves on top of the denim and leather I'm bringing. Sunglasses. I can't forget the sunglasses because don't have the helmet on the whole time. Got that packed away, so all of my clothes are in that. And then I've got all my tent. All my tent is in here. This is all my aux equipment and shower gear. Got an extra jacket. My camping, like the extra cords, the sun visor, first aid kit with a tourniquet because you always need a tourniquet. And then in this one I got my tent. Oh, I'm sorry, my sleeping bag and something else. I don't know. I forgot what I even put in there now. That was really bothering me. So the other thing that's in here is my woven blanket, my Indian blanket that I got like 3 years ago on the way down there. There's a story behind it. If you remember to ask me at the campground when we get to Forgotten Angels, I'll tell you. So remember to ask me. All right, now let's get to everything on the motorcycle. So this is a Trax Motorrad dry pack. Of course, it's got the side packs where once you roll it over and Velcro it, you can tighten the straps down. It's got cross straps here where you can go over the top. And tighten it this way. But here's the cool part. You open this up, you smash down on it, and once all the air is smashed out of it, you can close it up. So I don't know if you used dry bags before, they're really hard to squeeze all the air out of after this is closed. That vent, that is pretty freaking awesome. All right, okay, now I'm gonna put everything on the bike. All right, so obviously before I leave, I'm actually gonna put my first seat. It's chilling over there if y'all can see it. I'll get the first seat on before I leave. Right now I gotta figure out, so between the 3 bags that are going on top, what's gonna go behind me and what's gonna go on the tail. And so I guess we'll just size it up and see what fits where. Well, like I said, answers that, it looks perfect, and it looks like it's going to act as a perfect backrest. So I guess these 2 things will go back there. You'll notice I don't have my tent in anything, because obviously, I mean, it don't matter if the tent gets wet. I'm going to, you know, use it anyway. And once you open it up, if it rains on this, it doesn't matter. So my blanket can't get wet, the sleeping bag can't get wet, none of my clothes can get wet, and obviously the electronics can't get wet, so they're going to be safe. So the tent's on its own. So this is actually really light, so we're going to squeeze some air out of it. All right. That actually is going to stack perfectly, so that's how I'm going to do that. So I have two net bags. I also got some rock straps. I'm going to net bag this down and bring the rock straps as spares. Okay, since there's so much extra room inside this bag, I'm going to put my tarps inside this and just going to shove them down the side. I think I am anyway. Probably should have put those in first and then shoved the blanket around them. Everything works out in the end. All right, so there it is. Everything's packed down pretty good. These came with their own straps, so like they have a loop strap and then has a little buckle right there to quickly assemble and unassemble. I'll put that in the linker. You can ask me about it at the campground, I guess. Got this on with a cargo net. I will probably put a bungee strap around that, or a probably a rock strap loop through all the handles. That way, just in case one of those clamps break, which they do. But I don't have anything really super tight. Because I mean, I'm going to be leaning against this. This is pretty snug. Like I said, I'm going to probably just go on and loop one more rock strap to this to get everything straight. All right, so that's everything. So obviously got to take this to work tomorrow. So the bags that are on the back, I'm gonna leave all the side bag stuff in there because it's already in there. Might as well. But the stuff on the back, I'm gonna go ahead and take out, and it'll be ready to pack back tomorrow. All right, I'm packed for Forgotten Angels. So like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. I probably will not be around for this video because I'll be writing. I'll probably put it up tomorrow night. So yeah, by the time I finish this tonight, it'll be time to go to bed. Nobody will be ready to watch a video. So, or maybe I'll release it, I guess. I don't know. If you are watching this on Thursday night, say hi, and, or rather, Wednesday night. If you're watching this on Wednesday night, think about me out on the road because I'll be riding. All right, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see you guys at Forgotten Angels, or I will see you next week. Bye-bye.
What?